Have you ever worried if your videos are hurting you rather than helping you? Are you frustrated that you are not getting the results you had hoped for? That's where I was up to several months ago. I'm Paul Donahue, and I'm a coach, business consultant, and marketer. I make videos, or should I say, I used to make videos. I look back at what I've done and face the fact that it could be much, much better. I suspect that I'm not alone. For sure, there are a bunch of video tools out there, and there is no lack of resources. We need more than that. Here's a before clip from a sales video I did a year ago. And frankly, it is not good. It's absolutely atrocious.
The very first one I'm excited about, it's an incredible way to get 3 referrals each time you ask. Ran across this about 2008, and it works. It works great. Taking someone of influence to lunch.
The material was great. The presentation is horrible. I had a problem, a real problem. I needed to change things drastically and do it now. I realized I needed help to know how to really craft professional video that gets results and also increases my credibility. Here I am, a coach, needing a coach to teach me the what, why, and how of creating videos that produce incredible results. So I hired a mentor to help me learn to create videos that produce. Scott Hamlin has authored 10 books, over 500 magazine articles in the video and creative arts world. He has been a video and animation consultant, director, and producer for well over 15 years. He knows what he's talking about, and he's exactly what I needed. Yet I really didn't realize how his impact would change my thinking, my actions, my videos. I discovered that too many of us choose our video programs, pick some clips and images, and then run it through some editing program. Sometimes we use the latest glitzy animations, fonts, and even buy templates that others are using. We cut corners with PowerPoint templates. We mean well, we just don't know any better. Creating effective video requires thought, preparation, and behind-the-scenes work. I wasn't using scripts. I chose wrong colors and fonts. I said more, not less. I didn't realize that colors make such a difference, that patterns need interrupting. I wasn't taking time to write and rewrite scripts. Yes, I was doing everything wrong, all backwards, and didn't know what to do to correct them. So in time, I decided to do voiceovers, to write scripts with good copy, to search for the correct assets, to make videos that aren't confusing, to increase my own credibility, to know how to use assets correctly and not just use fancy bling that confuses. Here's a clip of the after coaching video. I'm going to teach you how to get 3 quality referrals very quickly. Referrals are the lifeblood of sales. They are absolutely essential to your success. There is so much that goes into the what, why, who, and how of video creation. But the principles are remarkably simple. I just didn't know them. I have found most people do not either. Here's another before clip from the sales training course.
So the very first one is this. You just one more phone call, one more visit, one more email, one more contact before you go home.
It's boring, too long of scenes, much too much information shown. Here's the after principles I am going to share with you. So what are they? First, have a mindset of just one more phone call, one more visit, one more email, one more contact before you go home. Just one more. I have made thousands just from this one key principle. The after is clear, concise, informative, and keeps your interest. And that's just some of the simple principles. What a difference the coaching made. That is not the end of the story, however. Now I have confidence in how to craft a professional video. Now I'm proud of what I produce. Now others won't question my professional credibility. Now I know the techniques that get results. My video production has been transformed. I am no longer a frustrated producer. I save time in the process. I know what to do, and I know how to do it. Anybody can make videos that fail miserably, but a lot of people do not know how to craft incredible videos that get results. Like where I was in video making, they do not know what really makes a video professional, credible, enticing, and results-oriented. If you can relate with what I've shared, you can see the same transformation in video production that I've experienced. Don't keep doing what you are doing. Everyone can use a coach to help them be the best and produce the best. If your story is similar to mine, I can help you. Don't put it off any longer. Make an appointment below the video and let's get started.